So I'm guessing cops came and everyone started to bust the Fast and Furious. Like on the high key. Then everyone are dipping it. So what the fuck happened? So why did everyone...
Fuck, so if you get a car, you'd be bumping that shit so loud and just driving, smashing everywhere.
I wouldn't give a fuck, my nigga.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I would be bumping, nigga.
Hey, so what happened? Why did everyone leave?
I don't know.
Just for the fun of the circle of cool.
I
don't know. Like, nigga, hey, Cooley and all them was like right there, like, hey, let's go or whatever.
There's no cops. What happened?
Nigga, tell me why that thing over here can't stickers fucking is the shit.
Huh?
This thing over here can't be tech stickers the shit. Don't you have full rolling on black with fake rims?
I said, I love them,
And people are...
Subi, that was a Subi. No, that shit was pushing something else. That's
No.
what it was pushing now. Look at y'all niggas, they get both y'all. Who's 18 here?
Not me.
Why?
18, baby. My nigga's not even past my curfew.
Y'all niggas with me, JJ.